Good morning, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing fantastic, feeling fantastic. It's early in the morning. I'm about to go into the school run, but it is raining and I decided to open these boots that I got from TikTok shop. They're meant to be for this type of weather, so I'm like, why not just wear them today? Look at Rainy Bungie. Rainy, you saying more? Say more. Say good morning. I just put on Miss Rachel for her to watch, y'all, while I'm getting ready. ShéKayla's getting ready. Sean left for work like 15 minutes ago. And River is still asleep. I told ShéKayla to wake him up to get him dressed. And I want to quickly go in the kitchen as well because there's like a couple dishes that we used last night that wasn't washed. Yeah. I just wanted to show you guys the boots. Ooh. This is them. Hopefully they fit. And I have on these thick socks. Here they are, guys. They're nice. They feel nice. Wow. Let me stand up and see. Okay. Yeah. These decent shots. Oh, I love these. Wow. They feel really, really good. Oh my gosh, it sounds like it raining so heavy. And we're off. Rainy, tell them the weather is not so nice. It's cold, isn't it? Kayla's strapping River in. Talk about my nice little wellies. Honestly, I was just showing TikTok because I did a video for TikTok and I was walking in this puddle just to show that the shoes are like completely waterproof. My feet are still dry. So cool. If you guys would like, oh, Kayla started in the car, but like the rain come down so heavy now. Kayla, let me see my umbrella. It's in the back seat next to Rain. To put it in the front here with me so I can have it. Yeah, anyways, if you guys would like these boots, they're so cozy. Honestly, I can leave the link for you guys. Well, it's actually gonna be the link to the video that I did for TikTok this morning, and you'll see the link in that video. Yeah, because I got it from TikTok shop. So things that I get from TikTok shop, I'm like, I better start doing videos for them because why not, right? Yeah, so let me go and drop ShéKayla to school and we'll catch up a bit later. Guys, it's actually snowing. I did not know. I'm talking about rain, but it's actually starting to snow. If you can see, the drops are a lot bigger. It's more like hail though, isn't it? Yeah. How cool. I didn't even know this was gonna be happening, but I'll take it. So I could hear River. Kayla, them not in the car yet. I know, Rainy Bunga, Rainy, your nose is running. Riffy, you gotta get in the car. Why are you running? Go in the car. Why is he even running? These kids, y'all, it is the coldest day. I think it's like -1 right now. All the cars are very icy. Sean left early this morning, so he did spray some de-icer on the car for me. You ain't start the car?
I can't get River's door. I can't get the door.
What about my door? But it iced back up already? The car door stuck? But it open now. The car ain't start because ShéKayla said she couldn't get the door open. Leave it. River is dressed for the weather too, aren't you, River? And Rainy, we all cook up this morning, y'all. Let me see. Take Rain. Come, Riv. Let's see. Oh, it opened, but it kind of... yeah. You just have to pull it hard. Come. It was stuck, Rivy. Too icy. Wow. Hold on. Let me strap him in, y'all. Hold on. Now the waiting game, but I'm gonna see if I can. Let's see if I can get in the trunk. Did the ice in the car? Oh, you have it. Oh, nice. Yeah, do the front, please. Why are you crying, Rivy? We're getting ourselves situated. Hold on a second. I need to adjust Rain's seatbelt because she has puffy. Let's get going. It's 8 o'clock. Oh my gosh, Kayla. It's going to be late again. Kayla, you're going to be late again. Oh, my mirror is... Anyways, y'all, it's actually the very next day. And we should have been gone a long time. So, I'm going to catch up with you guys shortly. What new flavors do they have? Yeah, can I get a hot chocolate, please?
What one?
Just a regular.
One sweet.
What did you say, Riv?
One sweet.
Yeah, I'm getting a drink.
One sweet.
I'm getting something to drink here, baby. You heard the siren? Let me taste this, make sure it's nice. Not like a nice cup of hot chocolate and a cold day. Yeah, Rivi. It's so hot, Riv. So I just went into the rewards app because, y'all, I'm all about saving nowadays. I never used to have the rewards app, Costa app. Rivi, don't cry. Remember you had your hot chocolate this morning? Remember you had chocolate milk? Remember I gave you chocolate milk and you drank all of it? Every time you buy a hot chocolate, you have to buy like 10 hot chocolates to get a free one. Honestly, right? That's so much. Usually it's like you buy 4, you get the 5th, or the 5th, you get the 6th one free or something. But it's 10. Now I'm on number 7. And this is like months because I don't come here that often. Yeah, so I see that I can get 30% off all food or whatever. So it's like, let me just get up to Panini. Y'all, this morning I'm driving, I felt in my pocket, found gloves. So handy because I forgot my gloves inside. This looks like a large. I should have said small.
Parking recording started.
This is a big old cup. Hiya. Oh. Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. No, it's not chicken nugget. It's not. She said, bye-bye, have a nice day. I love when they have manners like that. And then I can tell her back like, yeah, you too. She said, have a nice day. I said, you too. Yeah, I'm just parked up here by Lidl's. I'm going to have this first and then I'm going to go inside. It's not chicken, baby. It's called a panini. Look. See? You want some? I can give you some, but I don't think you're going to like it, Riv Riv. But you can have some. Here you go. Here you go. Try it. Try it, baby. It's toast. It's toast. Toast. See? He'd look at it and he's like, it's like melted cheese. It's not actual tomato, and there's like probably like the paste or like probably got like little cuts of tomato. Yeah, I don't know what the green thing is though, but it's good. It's a tomato and mozzarella panini or something like that. Yeah, I'm actually ready to go inside Lidl's. Both the babies in the car crying because none of them got patience, but the trolleys are so frozen. And this is the last one left, but it's full of ice. And Sean just came from work. He needed me to do something ASAP. I was trying to de-ice. So I actually sprayed some of my de-icer. And then I was trying to like wipe it away. But they still have ice on it as well. And so I watch them, hear them in there crying. Oh my gosh! Why my baby's crying? Why are you crying, Remy? Don't cry, Remy. It's okay. It's okay, boom boom. Let's go. We're going. They'll be fine once I start driving though. Okay, babies, let's go, babies. I'm so gutted though because there's no one here. All right, Rainy, it's okay. Oh my gosh, why I feel so tired. Rainy, hey. Rainy can't let me just have my little camera moment. Now she gotta be involved at all times, huh? Guys, we just got home. I'm just taking off our gears. Look at her dancing. Just taking off our warm gears because the house is nice and warm. Yeah, we just got home from Sean's. We had to go. Really leave it out. Yeah, we had to go by Sean's workplace. So that was a little bonus. River got to see his daddy. I think he was he asleep this morning. Sean leave. Usually Rain gets to see him because Rain is more of an early bird than River lately. But yeah, but she didn't get to see her daddy just now though because she was fast asleep in the car and River was awake. So, and he was like, I want to come out. I was like, no, daddy's going back to work, Riv. I was thinking like while I'm on the road, maybe I could try to go back to Lidl's again, but I changed my mind. I was like, nah, I have a little headache as well. I did take painkiller this morning as well, but paracetamol doesn't really work for me that well because I do struggle with migraines, right, Renee? Yeah. Guys, something is wrong with River's eye. I have no idea what's going on with it. Let me see your eye. I don't know what's going on there, Riv. We left home fine this morning. I don't understand why his eye is swollen underneath there. So I am back at Lidl. I just got a trolley. Look, someone left their pound in there. And yeah, I just grabbed it. It's not as full as it was this morning. I just need to let me just walk along this aisle. I haven't been to Lidl's in so long. Y'all remember I did a Lidl's vlog some years ago, I think it was. I came here to go shopping early in the morning. I used to shop here before I started shopping in Aldi actually. But I want to get, this is ready, cheese. Okay, I need to get some grated cheese because, oh, here, it's right here. We got spaghetti bolognese on the menu for today. But that's not why I wanted to come to Lidl's this morning. But let's get grated cheese. Which one should I get? $2.99, 1 kg, $1.99, 50% less fat. Is it smaller? 250 grams. What's this one? Oh, this is a big pack. That's why I don't want all this cheese, because I think the cheese, we don't use a lot of grated cheese like that, so it will spoil. Do they not have like a smaller one? I don't want the family pack one. They have this one, extra mature. How much is this? Is my price? Is it $1.99? The same? Oh, that's $2.99. So should I do extra mature or mature? I think I normally get mature, but this is 250 grams. This is 300. This feels, I think I normally get like this size. I'll just get that. Oh, I also need like the soft cheese as well. It's very hard to find Parmesan cheese, and you know, in England they don't even say Parmesan. A lot of people here say Parmesan, like Parmesan. I'm like, what? It's not Parmesan, is it? They pronounce things different over here, honestly. See, that's my problem, you know. I always know what I come to the supermarket to get, but here I am looking for things. Oh my gosh, pork. I haven't had pork in quite some time. Maybe I should buy a pack. Pork shoulder steaks, $5.59. Let me get a pack. It's been a while. We kind of stopped eating pork. We haven't had pork for, I think, months now. Yeah, we're kind of like laying out the pork for a bit. They have like a whole bakery section here with fresh things, but me personally, I don't get it unless it is very fresh. These baguettes are so cheap. Look, 39p for one, 39p for this one as well. Let me see this one. This feels nice. I can get this because it's in a bag. But those ones, it's a no for me, because I've seen things. Y'all know these things. It's a lot of Christmassy stuff in here. So I'm at the right section. A friend of mine told me, because you know, y'all know I bake my black cake every year. So, and we haven't soaked any fruits yet. I don't know. We always like super last minute. But my friend told me that we can get brandy soaked fruits, like raisins and stuff. So that's what I wanted to come in here to get. Minced meat classic. It should be here somewhere, I guess. What's this one? This is it. Spice brandy minced meat. Y'all know I thought minced meat was actually meat, like why call it minced meat, but it's like minced fruits. So this is how much for it? Oh my god, no, not 39p. See, the prices in here always above the product, because this is me getting fooled. I was about to say 39p, but it's for the lime juice. So $1.99 for this. It's already like blended up, but let me see what's in it. They have, what's in it? Okay, vine fruits, apples, and mixed peel with brandy and spices. Delicious filling for our chef. Select ready rolled short crust pastry. I mean, I feel like, should I get one? I don't want $1.99 for one, or I can just get a big bag. And should I just buy one and test it out first? Let's do that, because what if I don't particularly like this one? They have loads, so yeah, I'm gonna buy one, and if I like it, I'll come back and buy a few more jars. Our push come to shove, we'll just soak our own fruits. But let me see if I can probably get more. Oh, hang on a second. They have, oh, hold on. This is spice brandy, but they have a big bag here. Ah, so I don't have to buy the blended up one then. Is this it? Yeah, this is what she's talking about. Brandy soaked mixed fruits. Yeah, I'm gonna put this one back then. because I thought this was it, since this has like apples and stuff. I don't know. Should I buy it though? No, because this is the one I actually want. This is what we normally get, so I'm gonna get one of these. It is actually for $4.29. Look, $4.29 for this. Yeah, $2.35 for eggs. I actually do need some eggs, y'all, because I forgot. I probably have about 8 eggs left at home, and y'all know I love to have 30 eggs. You love eggs? I'm always looking to see what they have in the kids section, y'all. Just in case. I don't know. Let me get one of these. Apple, carrot, butternut, squash, and prune. Oh, this is different. 72p. She's never had this sort of flavor. I can get her this apple, carrot, and parsnips. Let me get 2 of these ones. Just 2. Really don't even need anything, and I'm in here like picking up stuff. What's wrong with me? Let's go cash out. I don't know why I'm always walking through supermarkets trying to find something that I don't need to find. And look at me still looking like I need something, but I don't, do I? No, I don't need anything. All right, I'm going home. Goodness, where the cashiers? Look here. There's absolutely no cashiers. Is it just self-checkout in here? I mean, I don't have a lot of stuff, but surely they should have some cashiers up in here. But let's cash out, I guess.
Please scan an item or touch a button.
Alright.
Thank you for shopping at Lidl. See you again soon. Lidl. You scanned all your...
Oh, I need someone to... Is no...
Let's go to bakery.
Oh, bakery.
And loads of baguettes.
Finish and pay.
And that one is the baguette.
Oh, okay.
And then just press add
Nice.
bakery, the big blue one, and then just move it to the scale for me.
Put it... Oh, that's it, yeah? Oh. That was...
Please place the item in the basket.
I did. Ooh, £19 later. Okay, let's pay.
Please, have you
Finish and
scanned
pay.
all your shopping today?
Yeah. 0 bags. I don't have the app. Let's pay.
Thank you for shopping at Lidl.
Where's my...
See you again
Oh,
soon. Please
my receipt is here.
Please scan an item.
Okay.
Or touch a button to start.
Alright, y'all.
Continue.
I still feel like this should not be £20, should it? Alright. Let me come go. Y'all, outside is so freaking cold. I actually need to go down there, but I might drive closer so I don't have to walk, because they sell like American mac and cheese, and I've been meaning to get that for ShéKayla. I don't know if River would like it, but I've been meaning to get that. Let's put this trolley back. Should I take the pound out? I'm gonna be a good Samaritan. And where is this? Is this a singles? I'm actually not going to take the pound. See? Because someone just left it. So I'll just leave it, and someone else could have a free trolley. Because sometimes it's a pain in the butt when you don't have a pound to get that trolley. You know what I mean? I don't use pound coins. I have this thing on my keys, so I use that, because I've been to supermarkets before and couldn't find a pound. I'm like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna get a trolley? I am now at the range. Yeah, and I got my big baby with me, and he was crying.
Oh.
I know, I dropped it, but it's okay. River, you heavy. Should we get a trolley? I don't want to get a trolley because I'm only going to get the mac and cheese. Even though I don't really trust River walking in here, but let's go, River. You can walk, right? Don't touch anything, okay? Pull down your pants. Yeah, pull down the other one too. Pull down the other pan, the other side. Good job. Let's go in now. My little Eskimo. Come. Christmas. Maybe look. What do you see? You see Christmas trees? What is it?
A pine cone.
You see a pine cone? Yeah, that one has a pine cone. And this one is like snow. Yeah, come on, let's go. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty in here. Maybe should we just quickly just go see what they have in the home section? Yeah, let's just quickly have a little browse. Because you know we never ever come to get what we need. Oh, actually I do need something from around here. If I can find it. I need those scented things. I don't even know where they are now. Last time they had them here. I need them for the... What are you telling me? Come here. You see something you like? You have money? What do you want, Ruby? I don't know where they are.
A zebra.
You see what?
Oh, the zebra.
You see a zebra? Where's a zebra?
Oh.
Oh.
The underthing.
Yeah, it is a zebra.
Yeah, it's just
What's this?
Yeah,
What's this? Yeah, it's a reindeer. That's it.
It's underthing.
Mm-hmm. This is a home section, yeah.
Underthing.
Mm-hmm. Ah, it's right here. This is what I need.
A star.
But this is all they have.
Just a star.
Coastal.
Sky is no
I don't want this one. Yeah, you see a star? That's the only one?
It's so
No, I don't want that one. I'm trying to figure out how to get out from in here. Let's go this way.
more.
Yeah. I don't want River to touch anything that in here has like so many glasses and stuff. So I'm gonna come back here to do a bit of shopping with my friends. I think it should be sometime next week or so. Not necessarily here, but we're gonna go to a few different shops, but I'll wait before I go to those home sections just to, you know, when I'm alone, not with Rivy, even though he's being quite good. So we need the supermarket section, I guess. You're being so good, Rivy. I'm so proud of you. So I have no idea which section I need to be looking. I feel like I didn't even know that they had like a whole supermarket section. I don't know. Maybe I need to ask a question. It's cleaning supplies now. Shouldn't it be here though? They got noodles and stuff here. Surely the mac and cheese should be around this side somewhere. Did I pass it and didn't see? Oh my goodness. Oh, let's ask somebody. Please, let somebody know where it is. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Would you know where I can find the mac and cheese? Where? Is he showing me the mac and cheese? I think I'm following him. Where do I find it? It's on the shelf. You know, I think it's Kraft, like American macaroni and cheese. It's in a box on the shelf, I think. I don't think it's finished. No, you know which one it is? It's the, it's like American. It's in a box. The workers. Jeez, I keep dropping my phone.
Oh my goodness.
You and this, oh my goodness. You're always talking about oh my goodness. I don't think the workers know what mac and cheese is. I think if they did have it, it would probably be on this section because these look like American products on this side because they have Reese's Pieces and all that stuff, Lucky Charms. So it would probably be on this shelf, but maybe they don't have it. Where can I find eggnog? Because I know I've seen eggnog in Asda. They used to have it, but just like a small little box, but we actually want a big box of eggnog. But it's like pointless asking any worker, like, do you know where to find the eggnog? Because they don't know what it is, because I guess it's foreign. I'm guessing no one in the UK drinks eggnog. Like, probably it's a Caribbean thing. Is it a Caribbean thing? It's probably just not a British thing. I shouldn't say Caribbean thing. I'm sure it's not just Caribbean people drink eggnog. It's probably not a British thing why they're not that familiar with it. I don't know. Hey ho. Anyways, I'm going home now so I can get dinner started before hubby gets home. Let's get in the car, Rivi. Come on, baby. All right, y'all. So I'm back at home. Got my spaghetti here. Just put the spaghetti in. I have, so it's 12 meatballs. I put them on top of foil because I'm about cleaning up this air fryer right about now. So there's 12 meatballs here in the air fryer. It's got about 7 more minutes. I can't wait to test these out. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it just to try it. Not right now though, but yeah. I'm not the best when it comes to cooking spaghetti. Y'all realize like every time that I cook, well, most times when I vlog when I'm cooking, it's always when I'm cooking. It's probably always like when I'm cooking my favorite dish, like curry chicken or something, and it's always like with rice. I guess I don't know. I didn't growing up. I didn't really fancy these type of food. I was always like a rice person, you know, and dumplings and stuff. And I don't know. Growing up in like spaghetti was not always like a thing. I don't know. Yeah, we eat so much chicken and so much rice and whatever. I'm like, let's do some spaghetti bolognese today, or like the Brits would call it spag bowl. That's what they say. No one in England, like these Brits don't say they're making spaghetti bolognese. They say they're gonna make a spag bowl. Outside pitch black. Look at that. You can't even see. It's not even 5 p.m. yet. Or probably it's like exactly 5 p.m. right now. I don't know. I've got some garlic bread in here. It's frozen actually. It's got some herbs and garlic butter on there. And air fryer again. Y'all know how much I love this air fryer. Oh my gosh. This is the spaghetti. Look how it's popping all over the stove. Goodness gracious. It's looking nice though. I feel like I needed more sauce. I don't know if I cooked too much spaghetti, or this might be okay, but I think next time I probably would need a bit more sauce. I had a feeling I would have needed more sauce, you know. That's what my kids doing while I'm cooking. There is my baby. Rennie, what's that on the... Did you just vomit on the... Oh my gosh. This is Tintin.
Naughty.
You tell her that's naughty?
It's naughty, no. It's naughty.
Did Rennie bite mama?
Ew, that's it. Ew, that's thing.
I cannot believe he got that bruise by his eyelid. It's out, Rennie. This little girl keep biting me. Stop biting, Rennie. No biting.
Stop biting.
And she keep laughing. Boom boom. Is today the day you're gonna walk? Come and walk to your mama, Rennie Bunga. Come. You come in? Come on. Come on, Rennie. She cheated y'all. She crawled to me. She did not walk to me. You. Huh? Go get the phone, Rennie. Go. Get it, Rennie. Get it, Rennie. You want more cookies? Hold on. I did do a TikTok while I was cooking this, but this is the fried rice and the pork. It's a sweet chili pork I did actually and fried rice. And you know, I had to put my plantains on the side because that's my favorite side dish. Yeah. So it's a few days later. Actually, I'm about to go and do my hair. As you see, it's a mess, so don't mind that. I won't be looking like this in a couple of hours. So this package actually came, I think, last week. It's actually from Temu as well. So let's just open it and see. And outside does look a bit rainy, so I decided, you know what, let me just wear it. I hope it fits because I sized up. This is an extra large, which is supposed to be like a medium or something here. I don't know, I'm not sure. So okay, it looks like the fur bit is detached, so I have to attach that. So this is what it... Oh, okay, yeah, this is gonna fit. This is fine. So this is the puffet jacket. I guess we attach the fur alongside here. Let's just try it on though. Ooh, so as you can see, inside is just lined with fur to keep us cozy. Let's try it on though. Okay, yeah, this is actually the perfect fit. Yeah, so this size is an extra large. Zip it up.
That's yucky.
What's yucky, Ruby? Oh, let me pop this. Why didn't I pop this tag off? Let's just tuck it in for now. It's also pocket lined as well. Let me show you guys the back. I don't even know. Y'all seen it before I see it. I don't even know what the back looks like. Or what? Is there a string? There's no string. And let's put the hood on. This is what it looks like. It's perfect actually. You also have these two strings so you can tighten it, I guess. You can draw it, so you can have that kind of look at the back. Oh, this is not a pocket. This is just style. This is just a design. Yeah, so that's just a design. And this is different though, because I thought the pocket was like this, but the pocket is actually to the side, which would make sense. So you can put the fur bit on. So now that the fur is on the hood, let's see. Pull it over. Oh my gosh, the fur is a third. Call me Madam Snow. This is gonna be perfect. It's not winter yet, but these past few days it's 0 degrees, -1, all that stuff. Perfect. So it covers my ears. Some hoods, you know, they come so big as well, but this is actually perfect. As I said, it's from Temu. Yeah, let's go do over here, guys. I'll be back, babe. Oh my gosh, it is so windy. Tell me why I leave the house without the car key. I need to call Sean. Let me call him. He could probably just throw it down for me. See?
Yeah.
Babe, I forgot the car key. Can you throw it down the window? Huh?
There's a package up though.
Oh, I gotta come up then. Okay. Buzz me in.
To the window.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm here by the window. Yeah. I'm so glad. So hubby did make me breakfast. I'm gonna go have some coffee in here. And he actually did some bread rolls for me. Y'all know I love my bread rolls. So yeah, see y'all at the salon, guys. I am all done. Didn't film oil in here because I did a TikTok though, but yeah, I'm done. You guys like it? I never curl the ends of my hair. I always leave it straight, but I think I like it like this actually. Anyways, let me head out. So I'm going to the hair shop. I had to ask my hairdresser because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go home, and I know I just got my hair done, but I want to go and install the glueless wig that I bought and just see how it looks. It's my first install. Do you know what, years ago I bought this, I think it was a synthetic wig from Amazon, and I didn't know anything about installing. I didn't do any cuts or anything or whatever, and it was jet black. I don't think it suited me anyway. It wasn't like for me. But this wig, however, is a proper wig, human hair and everything, and it comes with the lace and whatever. So I need to like cut it and, you know, make it melt down in my skin and stuff. It is glueless, but I need to get like the spray. I didn't even know what it's called. Like I've been seeing them, like I think it's a wax stick, you know, do down the hair, and then I'm gonna flat iron it and stuff like that. Yeah, I do have another wig that's supposed to be coming today. Hopefully by the time I get home it's been delivered. I don't know, but we'll see. Guys, I'm not even joking. This jacket, look at it. I pulled the string. I feel so cozy in this. I don't regret this purchase. Anyways, let's go in this hair shop. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. Can't tell I went hairdresser, huh? The wind just gone with it. So it's $7.99 for it. Let me see what. Let me check Amazon. Under lace bond spray. Yeah, it's more expensive. I can probably get a small one though, you know, because it's not like I'm a wig person and I need to get like a big one, you know. So let me get a small one. Do you know where I can get the wax stick for the hair? Oh, that's what it looks like.
You can turn it down.
That's for like the weave, like they use it for weave to stick it down.
For sleek your hair.
Yeah. $6.90. I'll get this. I'll get this one, and then I'll get this one. So I have that. What else I need? Hold on. Let me come back to you guys. Get some cash for to pay for the parking, and it is time to go. You know what? Let me grab some plantain. I've had plantain in my house every day now for like 2 weeks straight. Which I'm so glad. Oh my gosh. Alright. Try to get the best ones. You know, this one I don't really feel too. Let's get this one. I only buy 3 at a time. I think I have 1.5 at home right now. But I hate to run out. Oh, this feels a bit soft. Yeah, let's get this one. That's fine. Alright, so I got some plantain. So now I'm gonna go home and try to install this wig, but I feel so refreshed now that I got my hair done and everything. Really needed to watch, so I'm gonna head home now. It's cold, place getting so cold. It's very windy. It's actually the very next day, and what I am about to do right now, I'm going to install the wig. Should I wrap my hair? Let me wrap my hair. Maybe I should wrap my hair. So I opened it already. I didn't show you guys, but I did open it. Oh, do you know we can buy like hangers to put the wigs on? It's in like a wig bag and you can hang it up and stuff like that. So this is how the wig looks, and guys, it feels very soft. There we go. Don't laugh at me, you know I'm new to this thing. There's a band in here and you can adjust it, but when I did put it on, I realized that it fit my head and it was perfect, nice and snug, as you can see. Let's put that on. I hope I put it straight. Did I not? I did not put it straight. Hold on. Is this the middle? Oh my gosh, I don't even know if this is the middle. I think this is either 16 or 18 inches or something. No, I think this is 18 inch. I don't even know what to do first. Do I wax it down first? I guess. Let me see. Oh no, y'all. Is that what we do? Do we do the wax first and then we flat iron it? Let me turn on the flat iron. I've got it right here. Yeah, it actually flat it down already. Look at that. We do need this sort of thing. Look at that. I'm going to have to get one of those hot combs so it can like be a bit more flatter, because the flat iron doesn't work as good as those combs, I can tell. This is for some baby hair, y'all, I'm going to make. You have a thing in the bathroom. Can you bring that for me? A clip? A clip for me to clip back my hair, please. Clip. A clip? Here, clip?
Yeah, claw clip.
A what clip? A claw clip. Kayla, you and this British chatting, right? I don't understand it sometimes, you know? It's just a normal hair clip. Kayla is calling it a claw clip. It's coming together, y'all. This is a cheap clip. This is a cheap one.
Yeah.
I can feel it. I don't know how good my baby hair is looking, but I tried. How we doing? I might have to do some more baby hair, y'all. Put this down like so. I'm not so sure how long I'm supposed to keep this on, but in the meantime, I was just trying to, like, you know, flatten down the hair a bit more. Oh, I gave her that the other day and she didn't like it. Did she taste it just now though? I gave her that the other day because I just bought to try it, and I bought only 2 and she did not eat it off. I tasted it. It kind of grainy. I said, come Riffy, since she wasn't eating it, and he come and I give him and he tasted it and he said, here you go. Just lay down, you know. I said, if you don't want it, here you go. Yeah, she don't like that one then. I ain't buying it again. It's Lidl's I get it from. And you know, River loved them, and the fact that he didn't want that says a lot. I'm not sure if I'm doing this backwards, but I was supposed to do this before doing the baby hairs, but it's never too late. I am all done. Thank you so much for staying here for the entire wig install. But yeah, this is the finishing. I put it behind me like so. Yeah.